Okay, you've got a chain breaker, some Loctite, a pump, bunch of repair kit, bolt cutters, wire cutters, quicker steel, tape, assortment of screwdrivers, spare link, T-bar, ratchet spanners, sockets, split pins, Allen keys, spare nuts and bolts, spoke spanner, don't have a combination wheel spanner tyre lever, which I want to get, so I have to take a huge crescent. I don't see my tyre lever there anywhere. Better check my tool bag out and make sure I've got all my stuff. There's the bag. Weighs a ton, mate. An old aftershave bag or something. Just goes in your backpack along with your water bladder. It's all good. No matter what happens though, something will happen. You go in your tool bag, you won't have what you need. See, I've got no zip ties in there at the moment. Heaps of stuff. Whatever you can carry, carry.